Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our January 2024 Stamp Club reveal. Wow. It's just that these videos roll around every month, and so I tend to feel the time going so quickly in these videos, but I'm super excited to be starting 2024 with you. And I have to tell you something. With starting a stamp set that is quite possibly one of the ones that I'm saying, why have I never done this before? Like, why have we never done it? I'm in love. I'll tell you where this came from. So everybody around me is doing embroidery, like everybody. It's like it's a new thing now, right? And even we have the embroidery cards that you can get and make, and they're absolutely beautiful, the waffle flower ones. Well, anyway, I told Sylvia, I'm like, we really need to do this. It's kind of trendy right now. And it turned out better than I thought. It is really, really cute. And Sylvia worked so hard on this set, and I cannot wait for you to see it. I'm just holding out for you here. I'm just making it wait. Hey, if you're one of the folks that signed up for our club in 2023, thank you so much. We've had some new folks join the club. I want to remind you that as a club member, you get a 15% discount in our store on more than most things, like a lot of items. There's very few that are restricted, but remember, you have to be signed in to your account on the website, and you want to use the code club member, and it will automatically know that you're a club member. You don't have to worry about that. But if you're not a club member, that code won't work. So there you go. Just a reminder, don't forget to use your code. Also, remember this, every time you are billed for one of your stamp sets, you're earning loyalty points. So you're earning 12. Actually, it's more than that now because the price has gone up. So you're earning loyalty points on your loyalty points account. So you want to make sure you keep up with that, because you may just have a coupon sitting out there that you can use. All right, let's head into it. I've made you wait long enough. Look at this. Are you ready? Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm going to tell you something. It's cute in black and white, but wait till you see this in color. Color changes everything on this set. So let's talk about what we've got. We've got hello, love, love with a heart there. The letter I, and then be mine, and then you, the word love here that looks like stitch, the word love that is just cross stitched, and then you that is smaller and cross stitched. Okay. Then you've got a cross stitch arrow in a couple of sizes. You have this one, and then you have a thinner one down here that's just stitched. Then we've got hearts. You can see, where's another one? There's another heart that looks like that, and then a bigger one. You've got smaller hearts. You can see these tinier ones that are spread around everywhere. Okay. Here's a series of hearts. This is a bee. Look how much Sylvia got on this set. This is a bee that is adorable. These are leaves. When you get this and you go, what are these little blobs? They're leaves. Stamp them in green. And then you've got this flower. You've got this rose. This is a greenery piece. Where's the other one? Right there. This is the greenery piece that is so cute. You'll see that stamped. You have a needle. Are you kidding me? There's a needle. A little bit of thread kind of running like this. Just a bunch of different things you can use. And not to forget this adorable embroidery hoop that we have right here. Also, that little stem that you can add for your flower and things. Let me show you first the sample page Sylvia did, because I want it to make sense. Then I'll show you our actual samples. This is the sample page. And what I love, if you notice, see how she did things in different sizes so you could fit different things in the embroidery hoop. So you see here, like I love, she's using that one. And then she's using the smaller U to fit in. And then here, do you see how she did a series of the hearts? So it's not one stamp. This is 3 different stamps she did here to decorate. Same here, she did the word love and then different stamps. And here she's showing you how you can stamp the arrow on top of the heart. Isn't that adorable? Look at the bee, mine. Are you kidding me? Can you see that stamped in colors, different colors? XO with some little, those arrows. By the way, you notice the arrow is in a curve. That's so you can fit it around the circle. Here's I love you with the roses and the leaves. This is hello love with the roses and the leaves. This is I love you with an arrow going to the heart. She does so good with these. This one is the little flower that she did. Here's I love you. Now, do you see this circle of hearts going inside of here? That is this little series of stamps, and she just did it repeatedly all the way around. Then this one says be mine with a bunch of hearts, and this one says love with all those hearts again. Now let me show you our samples. We had a lot of fun with this. This was one that was like, yes, we can do this. This is fun. All right, check this one out. My first sample says hello love, and you'll see that I have this popped up. See that dimension inside of there? What I did was I stamped the embroidery hoop on the middle of this page, okay? Then I took a die cut. I just went to my dies, found a circle die, and found the one that fit the closest. I thought about doing the circle all the way to the black line. But to be honest, I think it needed a little extra. So I left a little bit of the color on the inside of the embroidery hoop. And I kind of like how that looks. Then here, this is a piece. Now I'll show you the workings. See this behind here? That is another piece of cardstock. What I did was I did my circle first. I laid them on top of each other and I stamped through the hole so I could make sure everything went where it was going. And then I put some foam between them to pop it up. I love that. Up here, I poked a little hole. I ran some baker's twine under it and came back around and tied this bow here. I just think that is so cute with the little bow at the top. So that is my first one, Hello Love. Then Shannon did this one. Are you kidding me? Look what she did. She did that little embroidery hoop. She fussy cut it right to the line. Don't forget, you get a free SVG with this too, a free SVG file. So you can cut this out. You won't have to cut it out by hand, but you know Shannon's going to fussy cut every little bit. Look, she even got inside of there and she colored it a different color. Do you see how she did that? And she did I Love You, so precious. I saw her using cookie dough ink on this. So if you're wondering how she got that soft look, it was cookie dough ink. And then on the inside, she just put a piece so she could write. Isn't that adorable? Love that. And then my last one, which I think might be my favorite, but I'm not sure because I really love all of them, is this guy. Now we have to talk about this one because you're going to want to know where all this came from. So here's how we did this one. We used the stamp set called Tailgating, and I used the truck here in the middle, and I used this ink called Clear Skies from Simon Hurley. And the first thing I did was using my brush directly onto my card base. I did a light wash of blue onto the card on the card base. So there was a circle or almost a circle of this blue, right? Then I stamped my truck. And then the words Be Mine are slightly too big to stamp directly in here. So I stamped it on a piece of white, curved the cornered edges and sat it down there. I actually foamed it up. You can see that it's foamed up. I love this. And then these little guys are the hearts from the stamp set. You see this? I used this one. I used this one. And then I used this one in 3 colors. This is the Simon Hurley ink stamped directly. So it's a little darker because I stamped it directly on the stamp. And the pink is some of my Versaclear, and that's Versaclear also. So I did that. And then I added this little border strip down here, and I used XOXO also from this stamp. I thought it was super cute to do that. I thought it was cute to just add XOXO. So that's how I did that one. I love how this one turned out. It might be my favorite. Let's bring them back over. You guys, you got to know this is kind of my season. These are my colors, right? You know, I love Christmas colors, but these, if you don't know, this teal color is actually the 4th color that we use in Maymay Made It when we need another color. So I'm really loving how this all looks. It's my favorite. It wouldn't be Stamp Club if I didn't say to you, I want to see your work. I want to see what you do with this stamp set. I know you're going to do such beautiful cards. So what I want you to do is make a project, post a picture of it to our customer gallery at MaymayMadeIt.com, and that picture enters you to win a $50 gift card. We give one away every month during Stamp Club time. You don't have to be a club member. If you have this stamp set, a photo of a project with it enters you to win. You do have to have it done this month. That's the only little caveat there. But you might have been the winner from last month. So you want to be sure to check the description. The first line will have the winner's name. We'll also email you to let you know. Hey, thank you so much for being a part of our club in 2024. Let's see where this goes, guys. I think it's going to be fun. We got some great ideas coming at you. Hey, thanks so much. And until next time, bye now.